Confused by the Palmon system? From duplicate heroes to star levels, skills, and types. It's a lot to take in. But don't worry. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. We're breaking the Palmon system down, so you know exactly how it works in minutes. Duplicate copies. In most games, when you pull the same hero twice, the duplicate automatically turns into fragments, and you can own more than one copy. But Palmon Survival does it differently. You can own multiple copies of the same Palmon, like having 2 Ninjumps on your roster. While you can't deploy them in the same squad, you can assign them to different squads, like Squad 1, Squad 2, and so on. What makes them even more unique is this. Each Palmon copy has its own independent level and upgrades. If you want both to be strong, you must level them up and ascend them separately. They are treated as completely standalone units. If you don't want to keep the extra copy, you can dismiss it to gain Palmon Tokens and dismissal gifts. Feeling confused about which copy is which? You can rename each Palmon for better clarity. And if you want to go back to the original name, just toggle the icon right here. Rarity and Attributes. Palmon is available in Orange UR, Purple SSR, and Blue SR. Orange is the highest and most powerful tier but hard to obtain. Purple is a good middle ground to fill your squad when the orange hero is unavailable. Blue hero is the weakest, often used only early in the game. Each Palmon has 3 main attributes: attack, defense, and HP. As expected, higher rarity equals higher attributes. For example, the orange bark plug has nearly 6 million more HP than the purple platypus at max level. Orange Palmon also has higher CP, making them stand out in battle. Type. Every Palmon belongs to one of 4 types, like factions in other games. Water counters fire, fire counters earth, earth counters electricity, and electricity counters water. When countering, you will gain a 25% damage bonus. And once the central city, temple opens, you'll also unlock lineup bonuses based on your squad composition. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Leveling. Palmon has 2 progression systems: basic level and star level. The basic level can be upgraded with a Palmon XP. The level is capped by your camp level. You must level up your camp level to unlock a higher basic level. For example, level 16 camp unlocks level 100 basic level. Star level is harder to raise and requires Palmon tokens, like the hero fragments in other games. You can get these by dismissing duplicate Palmon. Turn on auto dismiss to save time, and duplicate heroes will be automatically converted into tokens and gifts. We can also use the corresponding Rarity Omni token to ascend the Palmon. Skills. Each Palmon comes with 4 skills. The first skill represents the Palmon's basic attack, the standard attack used every round. The second skill represents the Rage skill, which can only be triggered when the Rage bar is full. It has a higher damage, usually double the amount. The third skill varies by Palmon. Some improve battle performance, like Squeezle enhancing the Rage skill damage, Snow Kami gaining bonus to attacks, and more. These heroes are good to put in your battle squad. Some boost base productivity, such as Maximito reducing construction time, Rotolator increasing gold output, and more. These heroes are best assigned to buildings, not battles. For example, we assigned 3 Maximito to the camp and reduced up to 101 minutes of construction time. The last skill is passive, which will unlock at the 4-star level. It boosts attributes like attack, defense, or HP. We can level the skill up to 30 levels except the last skill, which only has 1 level. Leveling up the skill can enhance its damage percentile. To level up skills, you'll need Skill Fruit, which must match Palmon's rarity. Each star ascension also adds bonus power from the skill ascension effect. And that's the overview of the hero system in Palmon Survival. In the next episode, we'll dive into the trait system, one of the game's most unique and strategic features. If you're interested in this topic, please comment traits. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.